Namaskar, my name is Ghanshya Dahal. I teach in Babylon National School. Today I have got a special guest from UK. She is the senior lecturer of Liverpool John Moore University, and the university is associated with us from last 6 years. And they send the trainee teachers every year to serve our young learners for 4 weeks. Warm welcome to Dr. Su in Babylon National School.
Thank you. Namaste.
Well, Dr. Su, can you tell us something more about yourself?
My name is Dr. Sue K. Flowers, and I'm a senior lecturer at Liverpool John Moores University, where I work in the School of Education. I have been bringing students to National Babylon School for the last 6 years and have placed about 25 students here during that time. The students that I teach are on undergraduate programs, so they're learning education studies and early childhood studies, and some of them are studying special educational needs and inclusion. I also teach at the university. I teach master's programs and I teach on the Masters of Education program. My research interests are in relation to children's experiences of parental separation, and I've recently published a book based on my doctoral thesis. The book is published by Policy Press, and as a result of that publication, I've also developed a framework for understanding how children accommodate parental separation, and that's an area of particular research interest that I'm pursuing at the university, as well as with Nepali colleagues here in Kathmandu.
Dr. Su, we have a long history of cultural exchange through internship from your university. How do you overview the program?
The program provides an excellent international educational experience for our students. It allows them to experience education in a completely different context to that they're used to in the UK. It allows them to observe different ways of teaching and different ways of learning, as well as the opportunity for them to test out some of the ideas that they have in relation to how children learn and effective pedagogical practices. So, for example, they will explore learning through play, the use of group work, and see how those actually work in a different cultural context than that they're used to in England. It also allows them to experience different cultural experiences. It allows them to learn about how children experience family life here in Nepal, the importance of education to children in Nepal, and also some of the religious elements of Nepalese culture. Of course, while they're here, the students need to learn about cross-cultural communication, because whilst they're working with children who have English as the mode of communication in school, for many of the pupils, English is not their first language, and so there is a need to develop perhaps different ways of communicating in cross-cultural contexts.
Well, moving forward to my last question, Dr. Su, what makes Liverpool John Moore University to choose our Babylon National School as the right place for your graduates, students for internship?
I've always been confident in placing the undergraduate students in the National Babylon School for a number of reasons. Firstly, the quality of education that National Babylon School delivers to the pupils. It has a very well organised curriculum which is effectively delivered by very caring and very professional staff. So when the students actually are placed at National Babylon School, I am confident that they're going to have a very positive experience, that they are going to experience an excellent curriculum, that they are going to be supported by professional and well-trained staff, and also that the staff are caring and supportive, which is most important when we're talking about students from the UK being placed in an unfamiliar environment in which they live for a 4-week period. So overall, I'm confident that the students get an excellent experience based on the educational provision that National Babylon School delivers to its pupils.
Thank you so much for being with us. Have a good day, man.
Thank you once again for welcoming me back to National Babylon School. It is always a joy and a pleasure to actually be here, and thank you so much on behalf of Liverpool John Moores University for offering these educational experiences to our students year by year. We know how much it means to the students in terms of developing their knowledge and understanding of international education. Thank you.